I'm showing you 3 easy swaps for an all-natural, non-toxic cleaners, all just using Castile soap. For the first one, we are making toilet bowl cleaner bombs. You're gonna need citric acid, of course, your Castile soap, and baking soda. I will have the measurements and everything down in the description box for you. We're gonna mix that together, and then you're gonna need some sort of mold or something to put this mixture into. I've used ice cube trays in the past. You could also just use a cookie scoop and make little ball bombs if you wanted, if you didn't want to have to get a silicone mat like this. Very cheap. I got these from TJ Maxx for like $4. It came in a pack of 2. I use them all the time for making these toilet bowl bombs. You let those sit for about 24 hours, pop them out of the cubes, and they are ready to be used as a toilet bowl cleaner. For the second one, we're making an all-purpose spray. All you're going to need is a squirt of your Castile soap and fill the rest of your squirt bottle with water. You can reuse an old squirt bottle from a different cleaner. You don't have to have a reusable one like this. For our last and final, we're making a pink power paste or a play on that. All you're going to need is, once again, your baking soda, squirt in your Castile soap of choice, and dilute with a little bit of water just to make our Castile soap go a little bit further. I use this as a power paste. It also works really well to remove rust and different things like that. I love to use it for hard stains in bathtubs, hard water stains on faucets, but it also works really well to clean out my microwave, my stovetop, and my oven.